Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making banana bread. Please stay tuned and watch this video. First, we're going to start by preheating our oven on 250 degrees, and our ingredients are 2 ripe bananas. See? You want them to be ripe as this. The ones that you're going to throw out, the ones that you don't want to eat after it reaches a certain stage. You want them to be just like this. Half cup of butter or 8 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. We have some chopped pecans here. This part is total optional. You don't have to use any nuts. And we have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We have half cup of sugar and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And these are our ingredients. In a medium bowl, you're going to cream the butter and the sugar. Nice and creamy. Now we're just going to add the eggs. Vanilla. See? Nice and creamy. Just like this. Peel these banana and mash them. See, they're well ripe. Now we're just gonna mash them. After finish beating this, you're gonna add this to the cream, the butter and cream mixture. Mix this again. In another bowl, you're gonna add the baking powder, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. You just want to whisk this together or mix this together like this. And you're just gonna gradually add the flour into the mixture. Now this is the perfect time to add the nuts. And we're just gonna fold this in. You can use whatever nuts you want to use, peanut, walnut, hazelnuts, but I'm just using pecans because I love pecans. So you're just folding in the nuts. So now we're just gonna grease our baking tin. You can use parchment paper or butter, anything you want to grease it with. So nicely greased. And now I'm just gonna add the butter. The 5 minutes into the oven, and here we have it, guys. My beautiful banana bread. I wish you could smell it, guys. It is so smelling so good. The house is smelling fantastic with this smell. And guys, look at this beautiful color, man. Look at the color, guys. I tell you, and it's so soft. The texture is amazing, and it's gonna taste even better. And now I let it cool down. So now we're just gonna try and take this out. Look at this. Come on. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also leave me a comment down below. No. Look at this beautiful banana bread. It's smelling so good, smelling so banana-y. Oh my god. Now we're gonna give a cut into it, even though it's kind of still warmish, hot. I'm gonna try our best to give it a nice cut because it's almost still hot. Look at the nice soft texture, beautiful color and beautiful texture. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Please try this banana bread. You won't go wrong making this banana bread. You won't go wrong. You won't go wrong. Look at this. Just want you to see. So as I said before, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video, and you can also leave me a comment down below on what you would like for me to make next in my next video. Bye guys. No, I'm gonna do a taste test. Oh my god, once you bite it, you taste banana. Once you bite it, you taste bananas and flavor, guys. The banana bread tastes good, I'm not lying. And it's so soft. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Look at the sides. Look at the sides. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. And see you in my next video. Bye.